Oh yeah. Hey guys, Ali from Trade Tools. Today I'm here to talk to you about the difference between our pneumatic and our battery cordless framing nail guns. Our cordless range includes your Pneumatic frame master, which requires a battery, and your gas cylinder. We've also got the DeWalt and the Hitachi, which require battery only. We've also got a huge range of pneumatic framing nail guns, but we'll get to that later. First, let's go put these tools to the test. Alright, we're out in the workshop. I'm going to use this app to test the noise levels on all the guns. Hitachi pneumatic, Haslo pneumatic, Renegade pneumatic, Hitachi battery, DeWalt battery, Haslo battery and gas. So as you can see, the Pneumatic frame master and the pneumatic guns came in noisiest, and the Hitachi and DeWalt cordless battery framers were far quieter. Ever feel like the battery on your Pneumatic is constantly drained? Get this, Pneumatic released the Impulse Frame Master power vent a couple of years ago, and the huge drawcard is an upgraded lithium-ion battery. This means more runtime per charge and longer battery lifetime. You do still have to replace the gas cartridge around every 1,000 shots, plus you'll need a Pneumatic charger and a spare battery. The Hitachi and DeWalt cordless framers run off nothing but their own 18-volt batteries and chargers, which can be used for all of their other cordless tool skins. If you opt for the pneumatic framers, you will need a few extra items to get your setup running. Depending if you're out on site or in a workshop setting, you'll need a specific air hose, a power lead, and a compressor that's suited to your job task and range of mobility. Alright, we've got a piece of hardwood, and we're going to put these pneumatic and battery framers to the test for power. Alright, we're back from the workshop, and here are the results from the power test and the piece of hardwood timber. As you can see, on the battery side, the Hitachi was a clear winner. The Pneumatic came in second, and then the DeWalt came in third. As you can see, the nail's still protruding quite a bit. Over on the pneumatic side, we had the Renegade was definitely the best. The Pneumatic came in second, and then the Hitachi, but they were all pretty similar. So we put the framers on the scales to test out the weight. On the battery side, the Pneumatic was easily the lightest, with a 3.3 kilos. On the other end was a Hitachi with a very heavy 4.8 kilo. The pneumatic gun, Pneumatic and the Renegade were the heaviest at a 3.7, and the Hitachi came through at the lightest with a 3.1. After putting all the framers to the test, both guns have pros and cons depending on the task being undertaken. Pneumatic guns are better suited for tasks that require a constant runtime and all-day use. Battery guns are by far more convenient, especially for the tasks that require quick fix fasteners and tricky or hard to reach places. If you liked the video, give us a like, hit subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments, and if you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them.